Hey everyone, I welcome you all at the technical section of my YouTube channel Botany for All. In my today's video, I'm going to review a laptop that is Asus X512FA. This laptop was 39,000 and it's one of the best laptop under the 40,000. Okay, as the laptop is very essential things for the students, teachers and other business communities people. Okay, so I'm going to review this after the 1 month of the uses. So let's just start. So firstly, if I talk about the outer appearance of this laptop, so it's a very slim laptop. Okay, you can clearly see it's very slim and it's not too heavy. It's weigh only 1.67 kg. Okay, so overall the outer appearance is very nice. This one is the back. Okay, it's very slim and it's very lightweight. You can easily hold up in the one hand. It's only 1.67 kg. Okay, if I talk about the outer appearance, particularly some ports, so here are the USB ports. These two USB ports are USB 2.0. Okay, so slightly slower than the USB 3.0. These are some light indications. This is for the switch on. This is for the charging. On the other side, there is a USB 3.0. Okay, this is very fast as compared to USB 2.0. Along with this USB 3.0, there is a USB type C to C. These days that port C is very common. So type C port is directly given. Along with that, the 3.5 audio jack and the micro SD card slot. Okay, the card can be inserted directly without the edge card or the SD card. So this one is the HDMI port. Okay, and this one is the charging port. This laptop supports fast charging. It generally charges about 200% approximately in 80 minutes. Okay, so it's very fast. So this one I'm having is the gray color. It's having the Asus branding. Okay, let's just discuss the detail about the switch on. So this laptop comes with a SSD, not the hard disk drive. So SSD is much faster as compared to the hard disk drives. It have a 512 GB of storage, the SSD storage. So this much storage in terms of the SSD is much enough. Okay, so here are the inner appearance. It is having a beautiful keyboard. Okay, the space among the keys is also very good. It is also having a fingerprint sensor. This is a very good thing and it's very fast. It is powered by the Intel Core i3 10th generation. So the best thing about this, it is having the latest generation. In 39,000 rupees, we are getting the latest generation of the Core i3. So it is very faster. It is having 4 GB of the RAM. So I'm not, after the use of 1 month, I am having no problem with the RAM. I am taking the online classes as well as I am also delivering the lectures. I am making PowerPoint presentation, Word files and even the media. Everything is running so fast. It is having the HDMI port. Second thing, the screen is very edge to edge. You can clearly see the screen is full HD, having the 1080 resolution instead of the QHD or the 720 resolution that comes in the same range. So it is having a full HD display. That display even is edge to edge. Okay, so it gives the appearance of a 14-inch laptop. Still it is a 15.6 inch laptop. Okay, so it gives the appearance of 14 because the display is edge to edge. So you are getting a 15.6 inch display in the size of 14-inch laptop. Okay, so this is the inner appearance. The best thing about this laptop is the speed of the switch on. Okay, whenever I will press the key, you can clearly see that within seconds, hardly 4 to 5 seconds, it is switch on. If I summarize the things, the Asus X512FA i3 10th generation, what are the pros and what are the cons? So it is having the full HD display. This is the best thing. Okay, it is having a SSD 512 GB. In this range, we are hardly getting the 256 GB of the SSD, but in this laptop, we are having the 512 GB of the SSD. So it's very enough. Okay, and SSD is a good thing. I will surely recommend the SSD as compared to the hard disk drive because the speed becomes very faster. The copying speed generally lies between 100 to 150 Mbps even. Okay, so it's much faster in the USB type C port or USB 3.0. So it is having a super speed. The most important thing about this laptop or the most valuable thing about this laptop is the nice slim look. It is very slim and it is very nicely looked. It is having the backlit keyboard. the USB type C and type C port. The USB type C means the USB 3.0 as well as the direct type C port. Okay, if you are having the cable type C to type C, you can directly connect your mobile phone. Okay, it is having a fingerprint sensor which is very faster. It is having more screen to body ratio. Okay, the screen to body ratio is very high. That's why the display become edge to edge. It is having fast charging. It generally fulls in 18 to 90 minutes. The cons about this laptop is, first is the less storage. If you have so many of the data, as I told you earlier, and you are not having an external hard disk, so you might be short with the storage. So this thing is cons for maybe some persons, not for me, because I am having so many of the hard disk, the external hard disk. The battery backup only lies for 3 hours on the moderate use. So it should be 5 to 6 hours. So I think this is also a con. So last one is the audio output is lesser. It is a very weak point. The audio output is really disappointing, but it's okay. It is not a multimedia, or it is not a media laptop that we are going to enjoy the music inside that, or we are going to having so many of the movies, we are going to watch the movies in that. If you are going to watch the movies, you should have to use the headphones. So these are some cons and these are some pros. So in my opinion, this laptop is a very good thing in the range of 40,000. It is having a very good performance. It is having some good functions which are very useful for the students and even for the teachers, like the backlit keyboard, that you can work even during the night time without disturbing the others or without disturbing your eyes. Okay, because there is no need to switch on the light. You can clearly see your keyboard. So speed is also superb, and the best thing is the looks and the SSD. I will strongly recommend you the SSD and the switch on speed. So that's